Clear on immediate Manatee, track-1 leaving Fort Lauderdale. 2315, clear me at Manatee, track-1, leaving Fort Lauderdale.
Engine 815, departing Deerfield Beach Station with a clear. Parker, track 1 to Southbound.
Alright, we got time to make another loop? Yeah, there they are down there. Okay. Let's go make another loop-de-loop. Well, this is going to be close, Railfans. I was hoping to get them on the eastbound side. I'm turning around and going westbound now. Now I'm going to try to flip another U-turn. Come back down the other side. God, I hope I have enough time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got plenty of time. And they rode them. Ha-ha. All right. What we're doing is going back to get Amtrak PO92, the northbound Silver Star. They're stopped on track 1 at Cypress Creek Station, waiting for this southbound tri-rail to go around them at Cypress. This is all on account of O717 occupying track 2 between Parker and Cypress. The tri-rail had to go around them, and now Amtrak has to wait for a tri-rail to go around them before they can proceed northbound on track 1. And we're going to attempt to get them here at Deerfield Beach at 48th Street, I believe this is.
Departing Pompano station and clear to approach medium intermediate to Cypress track number 1 southbound. Approach medium.
Amtrak engine 164, track 1 north, limited clear Parker, track 1 to track 2, arriving Deerfield, over.
Right.
I got a rag up on my grill, and I'm trying to catch O717, which just about to drop down into FO5 at Lauderdale Terminal. Let me get out for a second.
Train 965 conductor, 3 steps.
That certainly caused an overheating issue. Okay, the rag's off my grill, and now I'm ready to proceed south. So I reckon we'll exit at Davie Boulevard, and hopefully we'll be able to catch them coming out of the south end of FO5 once they get done setting out their empties. And there they are.
Train 960.
Right there.
Train 960, check and switch alignment Pompano north. Yep, permission to do train side track.
Alright, check and switch alignment.
pretty quick. Didn't take them long to set up those cars at all. I'll bet they weren't even there 2 minutes.
We can do it less than that, folks.
Well, we're going back to Lauderdale now. Now, turn it around. They ain't going to Dania.
Train 965, conductor, cancel 3, coming back. Yep, there they go. That is clear on that way. Track 3, track 1.
Gotta stop. Stop for those stop signs, Railfans. Obey all traffic laws. Or pay the piper. And there they are.
Track ahead below 14. Just keep out that third on 1 main, here, door home. Got it? Everything's sold up. Alright, we'll see you next year. I think that'll happen. I'm back with you. You're leaving this locked line in up over here. That's right with it.